The sage in frozen hearts, insights amidst the cold. Surrounded by an atmosphere of indifference, the soul may become frozen. However, there's a unique perspective that considers this frozen realm as a nurturing source for the wise, harboring profound insights. This viewpoint suggests that the cold solitude of the soul is not a negative state, but a sedimentation of inner strength. In this cold expanse, we might find an opportunity for calm reflection, discovering inner wisdom and depth. Changing the mindset, in this view, is not only about seeking inner warmth, but embarking on an inner exploration of the frozen territory. Through rational thinking and calm insight, we might discover paths of progress within the chilly environment. Such a shift in mindset could also trigger contemplation and transformation in others. We become the wise in a cold world, igniting warmth in the hearts of others with our cool thinking, thereby influencing the entire environment. Therefore, when sensing the icy chill of the soul, perhaps we can view it with the eyes of a sage, seeing the coldness as a unique source of wisdom, allowing the inner self to bloom with a different radiance. In this frozen land,